Welcome back, folks. Today I'm going to be breaking down an intermediate combination. It's a pretty slick flow to assist me today. I do have my group skate class, as always. Show them some love. Now, check this out. If you are a baby beginner skater or beginner skater, it's okay because there are movements within the combination that I'm going to be breaking down so you can at least take something away and know exactly where you're at. All right, but let's get into it. I've done variations of this combination all over my channel, okay? But this one specifically, we're gonna call it the early morning special, okay? Because right now it is 8 a.m. and we're trying to beat the security guard from kicking us out. so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna start off with the in and out. If you don't know what the in and out is, it's this little move right here. You go in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. Now, this is for all my baby beginners out there, okay? I want you to focus on not necessarily moving from side to side. You can honestly just do it in one spot, but your right skate is gonna be on the heel, like this. Your heel is going to turn in over your left, like that. And then all you're gonna do is you're going to turn it out. Bomb. So you're gonna place it out like that. Now with your left skate is gonna come around. You're gonna go on your heel, over your right skate, turn it out, okay? Then you just repeat. Right skate, roll around, come out. Left skate, roll around, come out. Now, while you're doing this, I want you to notice where you're placing your weight. So if you notice, my legs are in this kind of like curtsy position. This is very, very important. You're gonna want your weight to be center, but once you get ready to go to transition, you're gonna place your weight onto your right leg like this, so that your left skate can then trace around. All right, come out. All right, trace around, come out. All right, so that's the first move. Now, when we're actually doing it, since it's gonna be more intermediate, we are gonna actually be moving with it. So when you do it, you're going to roll out, roll out, roll out. All right, but that is the first move of the combination. Now, the next move we're going to be doing, I was just breaking this down with Tommy, and I noticed that he was having some issues with this section. So we're gonna spend a lot of time on this. You're gonna start off with your right skate. You're gonna go in, out. Now, this is also this is more of a beginner move, the shuffles. I'm sure y'all have seen this. I use them in pretty much everything, right? So this is going to be the transition move that gets us from the little in and out. You're gonna shuffle your left skate forward. Now from there, you're going to do a crossover. Okay, so your left skate is then going to cross over. Okay, now there are a lot of little details within that first section. Okay, so again, we're gonna start super slow. Right skate is gonna go in, you're gonna turn it out. Now, as you do, you're going to allow your left skate to continue rolling, okay? Like you would when you do a shuffle, okay? I want you to think that. I want you to think in, out, shuffle, okay? Now, this next section is going to be a lot of 1 foot balance. It might not look like it, but once you go to cross your left skate over like this, you're going to bend both of your knees. You're gonna do like this little curtsy position. Do not keep your legs locked. Do not do that. You're gonna come. Now, this happens whenever your left skate goes over your right, like this. Curtsy, okay? So everyone get in this position right here. Now, with your left skate, you want you to go out, like this, and then curtsy. Out, curtsy, okay? This is a nice little drill that you can practice just to get comfortable bending your knees, okay? This transition from, I'm on a little crack. This transition from going from here So the curtsy should be smooth. If it's not, then we still have a lot of work to do, and that's fine. But this from here to going down like that should be a smooth roll. All right? Now, if you can't do it at this speed, it's fine. You can just take your time. Boom. Now, this next step, this is where the 1 foot balance comes into play, okay? So here's what I want you to do. I want you to sit in your curtsy like this, and then I want you to lift your right skate just a tad, like that. And then set it back down. Relax, relax, relax. All right, get back in your curtsy, boom. You're gonna lift your right skate just a little bit, bomb. Set it down, relax. This is getting you ready to transition with your crossover. This is a lot of things that people don't teach, these little details that are gonna help you transition smoother, okay? So the longer that you can hold your 1 foot balance in this bent knee position, the better your next transition when you step out is going to be. All right, so that's actually the next part. So starting from the top, right? Gonna do a little in and out. So you're gonna go in, out, shuffle, curtsy, 1 foot, step with your right skate. And then when you step with your left, you're gonna face the right, all the way sideways. Cool? Now let's try that a tad bit faster, okay? Not super fast, because you still want it to flow. So we're gonna go in, out, shuffle, curtsy, step, step. Good, let's do it again. So with the right, we're gonna go in, out, shuffle, curtsy, step, step. So remember, right skate, right skate. So here we go. We're gonna go in, out, shuffle, curtsy, step, step. Good. Now, if you made it this far, congratulations. Do me a favor, like the video and subscribe to the channel, because you sitting here, you know what I'm saying, you're taking up all the content, or you can hit the little like button. Now, all we're gonna do is we're just going to do the other side. Pretty simple. So we just went right skate, step, left skate, step. Now, when we actually do this, we're actually going to be rolling because it's a flow and you want it to continue. So from here, you're going to take your left skate. Your left skate is going to in, out, okay? Now from here, what comes next? My man, shuffle. So now your right skate is going to switch, and here comes the security. Now from here, you're going to do a crossover with your right skate like this. Now remember, you got to go into your curtsy, okay? So remember, bend both knees from here, curtsy. Oh, damn. All right, so where's I at? So we just did our little shuffle, right? And now from here, you're gonna cross over, but you're gonna do more of a curtsy, okay? So just try to remember that. Your right skate is gonna come cross, you're gonna curtsy, all right? So let me just practice this. So right skate out, boom, come cross over, curtsy, boom. Out, curtsy. Again, remember, if this transition is not smooth, the next section after this is not gonna be smooth. So make sure that you iron this out. Cool. All right, relax, relax, relax. Okay, now we have to go onto our 1 foot balance onto our right skate. All right, so from here, you're gonna do your little curtsy, bomb. Make sure you feel comfortable balancing on your right leg like this. So you're gonna lift your left. Now you don't have to hold it for long, right? This is just practice, so relax, go back into your curtsy, hold your little 1 foot balance. Cool. Now, the next step we're gonna be doing is a little step. Now you're gonna be stepping with your left skate, turning it to the left. From here, pick up your little leg to the left, and then your right is going to follow to the left. Make sense? So let's try that super, super slow, okay? Oh wait, we start this way, don't we?
Yeah.
So we're gonna start with our left skate. Left skate is going to go in, out, shuffle, curtsy, 1 foot, step, step. Cool? Let's try that with a little more flow. So, whoop, from here?
Starting, okay.
Yeah. So from here, we're gonna go in, out, shuffle, curtsy, step, step. All right? So I'm gonna turn around just to give y'all, so y'all can follow along. Wait, yes, yeah. Good shit. All right, so from here, remember, left skate. So we're gonna go in, out, shuffle, curtsy, step, step. Good. All right, now here's what we have to try to do. We have to try to connect both sides. All right, so same thing, just whenever you do your bom, 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 whenever you step, you're going to continue the combination. Yeah? All right, here we go. So we're gonna connect both sides, starting with the right skate. So we're gonna go in, out, shuffle, curtsy, step, step. In, out, shuffle, curtsy, step, step. In, out, shuffle, curtsy, step, step. In, out. Oh, I'm sorry. So whenever you do the in and out, when you go out, it's actually going to rotate your body to the front. I forgot to explain that. So once you go in, the out, you're going to do like a little disco spin to the front so that you can shuffle. Make sense? Kinda? No? Here, let's just do that transition for them, because I didn't really explain that. So once you go from here, you're gonna go in. Once you go out, you're just gonna rotate yourself to the front. That way you're facing the front. And then you do your little shuffle, bomb. Yeah? Now, I'll be honest, that is going to be the advanced beginner combination. I do have an intermediate combination. So we're actually skipping the early intermediate and we're going right to the intermediate. We're gonna add some pivots in there. If you're not ready for the pivots, it's totally okay. You can still follow along using the advanced beginner, all right? But we're gonna get into it. Now, after we just went, let's see. So we just went in, out, shuffle, curtsy. You're gonna go step, step. Now from here, this is where you're going to do the pivots. Now you're going to do pivots to the right. Yeah, no, you're right, but that's to the back. Now from here, you're going to do your pivots going to the right, okay? So you're going to do turn to the right. So if you do it correctly, you should be facing the left, okay? Now you're going to do it one more time. You're going to be facing the right. So from here, bomb. Cool? So those are the little pivots and we're gonna work on those. So you're basically just doing 180s, right? So just to practice, we're gonna face this way. We're gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, pivot, pivot. Now, so this is something that's very, very important. You don't want to lift your wheels up all the way. If you lift your wheels up, you're gonna do more of a spin and you're not gonna be able to control that rotation. You kind of want your wheels to scoot, all right? And another thing as well, you want to bend your knees, okay? This is super, super important. If you keep your knees like this, then it's also gonna be hard to control. You bending your knees is gonna give you the shock absorption so that when you do land, you can rebalance yourself, okay? Now, if you're not ready to do the 180s yet, it's totally fine. You can do the a quarter turn. So you can literally just go bomb, bomb. If that makes sense, right? So let's try it. I'm gonna count it. Yeah, we're facing this way. So 5, 6, 7, 8, turn, turn. All right, again. Here we go. There you go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn, turn. Cool? All right. Now from there, you would just continue the combination to go to the other side. So you notice we're rolling this way. Your left skate, you would just bring it around, in, out, shuffle, curtsy, step, step. Now, this time, you're going to turn to the left instead of the right. Okay, so you're gonna pivot, facing to the right. You're gonna pivot again, facing to the left. Make sense? Let's kind of do those pivots real quick. So let's face this way. So we'll do it facing this way and I'll count it. So 5, 6, 7, 8, pivot, pivot. One more time. So 5, 6, 7, 8, pivot, pivot. Now you're in position to recreate the combination with your right skate, the little in and out. All right, any questions? Questions? No questions? All right, I do have a question. Why haven't you hit the like button yet? That's my question. Just a little tap, it ain't nothing. You know what I'm saying? It ain't gonna take no sweat off you. All right, here we go. Now we're gonna try to combine it, but we're gonna do it super, super slow. This is going to be the intermediate version, okay, with the pivots. Here we go, starting with the right skate. 5, 6, 7, 8, in, out, shuffle, curtsy, step, step, pivot, again, in, out, shuffle, curtsy, step, step, and again. In, out, shuffle, curtsy, step, step, pivot, pivot. Good, good. So, ladies and gentlemen, that is pretty much it on the early bird combination. Hey, how you doing? That is pretty much it on the early bird combination. I hope y'all enjoyed it, but more importantly than that, you gotta get to practicing, all right? Because I know y'all ain't got it, and that's okay. You gotta practice, practice, practice. Now, again, something important, you don't have to rush it, okay? Take your time, do it as slow as you need. It's more of a flow, you know what I mean? But that is it. I appreciate y'all. Group skate class, thank you so much, and we'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.